What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Veterans and Patriots Nation. My name is Tim, and I'm here with my friend Donovan from Gun-Nutz, and they came up with a new and innovative product for loading up your mags that's quick and easy, man. So what do you guys got here?
Sure, so they're soft injection molded silicone trays and designed to help make reloading a little easier. So they work with 380, 9, 40, 45, and 10 millimeter, all in the same tray.
Awesome. And then, so you guys, just show us how it works, because this
Absolutely.
is really, really cool.
Yeah, let me grab a mag, take your magazine. You're gonna set it in the back of the tray. You're gonna rock forwards, right down on the round, and then slide it home. And it's just that easy, right? So rock back, rock forward, send it home.
The same pad will work with all of your different calibers.
All the different calibers. Yeah,
so you don't have to buy different pads for different
one pad will
calibers.
do it all. Again, from 32, 380, 9, 40, 45, and 10 mil, all in the same tray.
Perfect. And you said this is like a injection molded silicone?
Molded silicone, absolutely.
Perfect. Awesome. And then talk to us about the durability and like how many rounds have you put through this so far and
Absolutely.
loaded?
So we use these in all of our range days, so especially the range day here at Goals. I'd say probably 10, 20,000 rounds per each tray went through just in the range day.
Wow.
And you got to think, we do this demo every minute for 8 hours a day. So I would say we probably have one over there that's probably had 100,000 rounds through it. Being that they're silicone, right, they're temperature resistant, chemical resistant by nature, and dishwasher safe. So
Oh, okay. I like that.
Lots of fun. And then as long as you don't play Frisbee with the dog or shoot at it, we offer a lifetime warranty, because if something has gone wrong in it, something has gone wrong.
Perfect. And then I see a couple different sizes here.
Absolutely. So we have this one, which is our standard, right? And then we also have what we call a range buddy. So it holds 10 rounds with 2 magazines on the side. It looks like this.
Awesome. And when I first saw this one specifically, I was thinking IDPA competitors. Because, for example, I do carry optics division. You're only allowed 10 rounds in a magazine.
Correct.
So I can put that 10 rounds in there, load it up real quick, put it in my mag caddy and go. This one has what, 8? 7. Yep. Yeah. So this would be perfect right up competitive shooters alleys if you do IDPA, USPSA. Yeah, it's an awesome product, or if you're just going to the range.
That's right. So when you're thinking in strings of 10, right, it really helps kind of keep you organized. That way you can enjoy the event. Just toss 10 rounds in. When it's full, just toss it right up here. Kind of gives that organizational moment back to your range experience.
Yeah, and then you can dump your all 50 rounds right here and just put them in.
Exactly. Or you have a field strip, so if you got to check a spring or a pin or that kind of thing, nothing's worse than losing like a detent out when the wind blows. So just use this as a field strip tray up top.
Dude, that's awesome. When did you guys launch this product?
About 2 years ago.
Awesome.
2 years ago now, officially.
Cool. And then color options.
Tons. So we have dark blue, light blue, red, white, green, OD green, any of your tactical colors, right? So coyote, black, and we're coming up with purple next. So we'll have a cool, fun purple.
Rock on. And then what's the MSRP on both your models here?
So the small one is $29.99 on the website. After shipping and handling, it's like $37.50, and then the large one's $69.99 on the website.
And then what's that website? Where can we pick these up at?
So Gun-Nutz.com.
Awesome. Gun-Nutz.com.
Gun-Nutz.com.
Hey guys, go check them out. Go buy one. Gun-Nutz.com. Donovan, thank you for your time, man.
Thanks, Tim.
Awesome. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.